So let's see how to install Microsoft Server 2012 in VirtualBox. It's good if you have its ISO file, but if you don't, then go to Google and type download Microsoft Server 2012 ISO. Open the first link, that is microsoft.com. Microsoft will give you 6-month free evaluation version of the same. Okay, see, select ISO and click continue. In this way you can get a ISO file from Microsoft itself. Now, as always, give the name first, that is server 2012. Select the location, other, okay, select the version, Microsoft Windows, okay, let's select this one, click next. You may increase if you want, click create, next, next, okay, 50 GB, create. Now go to settings, storage, DVD-ROM, select your ISO either from here or browse it from here. Select your ISO file and click on open. Click again OK. Click on start. See, the steps are similar as of before, right? Now it's loading files. Wait for this to complete. Let's go for full screen mode. You can go back to windowed mode at any time by pressing host plus F. Okay, switch. Now here at the bottom you will see some options like file, machine, view, etc. Now select your language and click next. Click on install now. Now it says setup is starting. See, I am installing server 2012 because I want to perform some practicals on it. Okay. Now you may be thinking that why I am using server 2012 and not 2016. Well, there is a reason, because I have a product key for server 2012, and also if any attack works on server 2012, then definitely it will also work on other latest versions. Okay. Now go to view, exit full screen mode, because I want to enter my product key and that is on my physical machine. Let's type it VDNYM and see, I have hidden my last keys because I don't want you to copy my key. Okay, go to microsoft.com and download a 180-day evaluation version, right? So let me pause this video to enter my last keys and click on next. It accepted my key. Now it's asking for server core installation or server with a GUI. So we will go with the second option, that is server with a graphical user interface, right? Click next, and here we have to accept the license terms. We have no other option. Now select advanced. Okay, no need to create a new partition. You can directly click on next. and now it's starting the rest of the process. Again, it will take around 10 to 12 minutes to get all files ready and install the updates and finishing up and all. So we will pause this video. Process has been completed and now it says type a password for the built-in administrator account. Okay, so give a strong password here. So I will use 1 2 3 4 5 6. Again, re-enter the password. Okay, and now click on finish. Okay, it says the password you type does not meet the password complexity requirements. Okay, so let me give the another password, a complex password. Type again. Okay, now let's click on finish. So it says finalizing your settings. Okay, press Ctrl Alt Delete to sign in. Ctrl Alt Delete is not working. Actually, it's not taking input from my keyboard. So let's go to input keyboard and select this option, that is insert Ctrl Alt and delete. Okay, and type your complex password here and hit enter. Okay, so this is how you can install Server 2012 in your VirtualBox, and it says it's setting up for us because it's the first time that we have booted this operating system, so it will take some time. And now you can see the desktop of our newly installed virtual machine, right? Now it's opening Server Manager. It is by default, so let's not go into deep. And if it opens, I will directly close this without changing anything. Okay, so that's it for this tutorial.